Australia is facing a surge in car repossessions, signaling financial pain for many households. According to Pickle's Auction House, there's been a 13% rise in repossessed vehicles in just the past 6 months. Expert Peter Esho explains that with rising housing costs, car payments are often the first to be delayed. Westpac data shows a significant jump in automotive arrears, a clear precursor to repossessions. And it's not just loan payments. Rising insurance and petrol prices are adding to the burden. Uniting Care highlights the devastating impact of repossession, leaving borrowers with debt and damaged credit. The easing of pandemic supply constraints has lowered used car prices, but that's bad news for those with auto loans. Many now owe more than their cars are worth, increasing the risk of default. This surge in repossessions underscores the precarious financial situation for many Australians. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and share.